Hey guys, Jody with Only Have One Life to Live. In this video, we're going to look at the 2023 Riverstone Legacy 42FSKG fifth wheel. Okay guys, there it is. The 2023 Forest River 42FSKG. And here you've got storage. You got a TV in here. More pass-through storage here. All the way to the other side. Everything you need to know about this video is in the description below. We get so much enjoyment from creating and sharing content of our travel experiences with you. We know that your time is important, and spending time with our channel deserves rewards beyond entertainment value alone. For those reasons, and for our committed YouTube subscribers, we've decided to start a giveaway to encourage more viewers to press that subscribe button and join our community. Our giveaway could be anything from a trinket we pick up along our travel experiences, branded merchandise, cash, or more as our channel grows. Your comments, likes, clicks, views are so appreciated, and your subscriptions are truly loved. They cost you nothing, but they mean the world to us as we grow this channel. We appreciate your consideration of our channel's entertainment value and hope that you find it helpful as you begin your travel journey. Safe travels, and see you on the road. Let the sweepstakes giveaway begin. Remember to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us. Front pass-through storage. Propane locker storage. Here's your generator bay. Remember to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us. All right, let's have a look inside the 42 FSKG Riverstone Legacy.
From our model.
Yeah, let's see what's changed from our model. Hey guys, let us know in the comments below what you think about this RV.
Of course, here you're only going, oh no, you got the bathroom there, so you wouldn't be going anywhere. If it was just the bedroom, you'd
First thing I recognize in here that's different in the 2022 model and 23 model is the refrigerator is different, has no handles on it. You bump into those things all the time.
Bump into the handles all the time.
There's no range hood vent either.
I love the ceiling. That's a cool feature, but
Dishwasher. You don't have to be the dishwasher anymore.
I like the full burner stoves.
that stove is really nice.
You can cook a full turkey in there.
I haven't tried that, but they say you can. The furniture's a little nicer.
This one's a lot better now. Across from it.
A little comfier than our couch is.
Excuse me.
The ceiling fan's a different design.
Has an integrated sound bar now.
The big difference is the floor. It's all one piece instead of individual tiles, like ours is. But this is the model with the white cabinets instead of the dove gray, like we have.
This is nice. This one's nice, but I like redwood.
Yeah, they fixed
Shower
that.
backing. I fixed that issue.
Hey guys, if you'd like a more detailed video, just click the link on the top and we'll make sure we get you over to a more detailed video. Okay, in the bedroom. They still got that doggone toe stumper thing in place.
Yeah, see how many times it's been nicked. But still very nice.
Still have the toe stumper in place down there. They just need to find a better design for that. Over here is your washer and dryer.
Yeah, he's back there recording.
Oh, you're recording too?
Yeah. We actually have this model, so we're recording what's changed.
Oh, that's 2 years, yeah, 2 years.
Yeah, the back, the headboard, the ceiling up there has changed. The refrigerator's different, which I like. It doesn't have handles on it. Ours does. I bump into our handles all the time.
Do you have the cooktop in the island?
We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.